rain sensing window. Normally window will be in open condition. So this is the rain sensor. Then this is the DC motor, 12 volt, 90 watt, 60 rpm. The tag wire is tag wire. Without tag. This 12 volt, 90 watt, 60 rpm. Rack and pin mechanism. Arduino Uno microcontroller. Battery 12 volt, 7.8 lead rechargeable battery. This is the two relay. You have to cover the connection of plus and minus gears. Then you go to switch on the system. The light will be here. Whenever rain falls on the sensor here, automatically door will be closing. After rain will be there. The water drop will be there. After water drop is gone due to any air is coming, automatically door will be open back to original position. So this is the concept of automatic rain sensing window. Whenever rain falls on the sensor, door will be closed. Up to rain will be there. After rain is gone, the air will be falls on the sensor. It will be returned back to original position. So this is the concept of automatic rain sensing window. This is rack and pin mechanism. Frame model of multi frame. Frame 32 inch length, 12 inch width, 12 inch height. This is the door. Height 20 inch height door. Sheet metal. 1 arm thickness. Rack and pin, DC motor, relay, amplifier, Arduino Uno microcontroller. Actually, in starting condition, in open condition only you go to start the machine. Similarly, you go to remove the wire up at the condition of open condition only you go to remove the wire.